What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you on a photo shoot. I asked you guys what video you wanted to see from me on my Instagram, and a lot of you said that you want to see my photo shoot process. So today you're coming along. Okay, really quick, I just want to show you the outfits, and please don't mind my messy room. I just did my makeup and hair and stuff, so you know how those things go. But anyway, this is the dress that I'm shooting, which I'm obsessed with. I love it. It fits so good, and I'm pretty sure this is like the gardener dress. I will link all of the items that I got from Lulu's down below. And then I got these really cute like wedge sandals, and I like them because they give me height, and I usually don't like dresses because of how short I am. I'm 5'1", but with these wedges, they give me a little height, so I don't look like a toddler. Why did I do that? And then this hat, can we just talk about this hat? So I found this hat at Salvation Army. You guys, this was $6, and then I'm pretty sure they gave me a discount for like, I don't know, $4. So this hat was $4. Can you believe it? And this hat is totally in right now, like this style, and I absolutely love this little, like, what is this? Adjuster thing. Okay, and last but not least, I just wanted to talk about my makeup. Whenever I shoot, I always try to keep my makeup very natural, and I just like how natural makeup looks better. I just like to enhance my features. I don't like to put on like a lot of stuff. So if you guys want like an updated makeup routine, then give this video a thumbs up and I will do that for you. Okay, let's go meet the photographer. Here's the photographer, my handsome boyfriend.
Hi, everybody.
Yes, he's the man behind all my photos, so.
In camera.
In camera, yes. And he's awesome. Are you ready for today?
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we just got to Trader Joe's, and I'm probably gonna get some flowers because I feel like flowers would look really cute with this outfit. So let's go get some flowers. Okay, so I think I'm gonna probably get sunflowers. Those are kind of cute over there. All right, sunflowers it is. These are cute.
These last a long time. The three
Oh yeah, those are really pretty.
They last a long time.
Thank you so much.
Dude, this is the 90s, bro?
Okay, so I'm kind of bummed because I had specific flowers that I was looking for at Trader Joe's, and I saw that this lady had the flowers that I wanted, and I asked her, where did you find those flowers? And unfortunately they were the last ones. So yeah, so that's why I settled on sunflowers, but I love sunflowers, so it'll go good with the dress. Okay, so we just got to the first location for the shoot, and it's like this motel thing. So whenever I look for a place to shoot, I'm usually just driving around, and if I see a place that looks really cool, I'm like, okay, I need to shoot there. So today we're gonna shoot in front of this really cool motel. Okay, so how cool is this wall? I've seen this, and I've always wanted to shoot in front of it, so I think today's photo shoot would look really cute against this. And I also love that it has this blue, like turquoise color in it. So I like to pay attention to the colors that are in my like set. So that way, like when I'm editing, I can manipulate the colors and like make them look really cool. And I think that this yellow against like the white and that blue would look really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get my prop ready because props just make it less awkward to like pose and model with, because you actually have something to like hold and like kind kind of go-to in case like you don't know like what to do. So I always really like flowers because they look really nice in pictures. I'm gonna save this because your props can be decor in your house later. So my props don't go to waste. Alright, so I have my camera photographer man here.
Right here.
Do you want to tell them what camera we use?
We use a Canon Rebel T4i.
And do you want to tell them about that lens?
Is this the lens we got at the swap shop?
Yeah.
We got this lens at the swap shop for like $4. So go to the flea market, find a used camera that has a lens on it that's the same brand as yours, and you might be able to slap it on your new camera and get a cheap lens.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend that.
Yeah, so we definitely scored this item, so we've been shooting with this lately. We don't have the best equipment, but we make do with what we have, and we're here, so let's make some magic.
Little side note for all you people out here taking pictures and stuff. We didn't ask for permission to come here, and we just kind of show up to these spots and take pictures. And whenever they come out and ask what we're doing, we just say that we're taking pictures and hope that they don't kick us off the property. So that's what we're doing. Somebody already came out and we just said hi, and then they walked away. So we're gonna continue to take pictures.
You just have to take risks and just go with it, so.
You don't know till you try.
Exactly. Okay, so right now we're just like setting up to see how we want to shoot the shot and like what the best angles are gonna be, so. Okay, so there was a sketchy van that was over here, but they moved, and I really wanted to shoot like in this area, not where the tow-away sign is, so we're gonna move really quick. Okay, so once we shoot a few pictures, I like to review them just to see like if I'm doing what I want to be doing, like if I like how it's coming out or if I need to like fix anything. So I'm gonna do that right now.